Hi folks, thanks for visiting my website. My name is Bob Mangold and I've held a life insurance license for almost 30 years now. And over that time I've heard hundreds of people or companies claiming that they've got the magic bullet for making $1 million a year in life insurance working 10 hours a week. Now, I've heard all that nonsense just like you. Here's what I found to be the secret of success. First, there is no magic bullet. Nothing replaces hard work. You don't get to make $250,000, $500,000, or $1 million a year doing no work. It's just not the way it works, folks. Second, you can't do the same thing that every other agent in your city offers. You've got to be unique. You've got to be different. And what I mean by that is life insurance is still being sold the same way as it was in the 40s and 50s. And third, and most importantly, you have to provide tremendous value and benefits to your clients. Now, what is it that you do that's different than all the other agents, or what is it that brings more benefits to your clients than other agents in your market? Well, if you don't have an answer for that, it's going to inhibit your success. So before I invite you to my webinar, I have a few questions for you. First, could you sell more life insurance if it was free? I mean, if I could remove premium from the discussion for you forever, could you sell more policies? Second, would you like to generate 2 to 3 motivated leads every week from realtors and lenders in your market? Now, there's a ton of them out there, so imagine picking up 1, 2, 3 leads every week from every realtor and lender out there. Would you like to be invited to speak to churches, corporations, or groups to teach people how to become debt-free in 10 years or less? And here's the key for you guys, folks. Use the money that they were going to pay to their banks and creditors to help them fund a tax-free retirement plan. So you're going to take money that they were going to pay to the banks and creditors and use that to fund their tax-free retirement. Would you like to implement a simple business-to-business strategy to generate leads? I mean, imagine having all types of small businesses out there referring their employees to you. And then finally, would you like a simple, hands-off client follow-up system to make sure your clients never forget you, and most importantly, refer you to their friends and relatives? Well, if you answered yes to all those questions, then you should probably attend my webinar. Now, if you do, I'm not going to give you any hype or BS. You need to know up front there's work involved. But I will give you a completely different perspective on how you generate leads, set appointments, and convert them into signed contracts. So if you're not afraid of investing a little bit of time to learn things about your business and then exerting some effort, then I'd encourage you to take and spend 60 minutes or so of your life to find out more. Now, I can promise you this. If you don't attend, you'll never be able to answer yes to all those questions. So it's decision time. Will it be you or another agent in your market who will take and learn these strategies and techniques? It's up to you, folks. You decide. So if you want to learn more, just fill out the questionnaire form over to the right by clicking on it. And once you complete the registration, you'll be taken to the page that'll give you the webinar link. Don't forget to register. Just click on the registration box on the right. And I look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day.